The Corwin Getaway prototype is one of the most remarkable forgotten concept cars in American automotive history. Designed by photographer, engineer, and inventor Cliff Hall, the car was created in Los Angeles during the late 1960s. Hall began the project shortly after the 1965 Watts riots, believing that automobile manufacturing could provide skilled jobs and economic opportunities for the Black community. His goal was to build an affordable sports car entirely within the Watts district. Development was financed by Hall's own investment of $50,000 and an additional $100,000 from Beverly Hills businessman and Panasonic importer Louis Corwin, whose surname became the car's name. The prototype was completed in 1969 and made its public debut at the 1970 Los Angeles Auto Show, attracting attention from celebrities including Muhammad Ali, Sidney Poitier, and Marvin Gaye. Technically, the Getaway was years ahead of its time. It featured a mid-engine layout, uncommon for affordable road cars of the era. The chassis used square steel tubing, while the lightweight body was molded from fiberglass. Power came from a 78-horsepower Subaru flat-4 boxer engine paired with a 4-speed manual transmission. Hall originally intended to use a motorcycle engine, but engineering limitations and the lack of a practical reverse gear led him to adopt the Subaru drivetrain instead. The prototype measured only 11 feet, 3.35 meters in length, making it exceptionally compact. Its low roof, minimal overhangs, and wide stance gave it excellent proportions, while the cabin contained 2 fixed bucket seats and a simple dashboard with 5 round gauges. Although the gear linkage required refinement and the prototype lacked side windows and luggage space, the car demonstrated impressive handling and accurately predicted the formula later used by sports cars such as the Fiat X19, Pontiac Fiero, and Toyota MR2. Despite strong public interest, Hall could not secure the millions of dollars needed for production. Building a factory and training a workforce proved impossible without major financial backing. As a result, only one prototype was ever completed. The car spent decades in storage before being donated to the Peterson Automotive Museum in Los Angeles. A crowd-funded restoration by Bodie Stroud Industries was completed in 2018, and the fully restored prototype entered the museum's permanent collection in 2019. Cliff Hall passed away in 2020, but the Corwin Getaway remains a lasting symbol of innovative engineering, social ambition, and creative determination.